Hi, I'm Alok and I'm a Guardian at Game7 Dev. Today I'll walk you through the specs of the newly announced Game7 Testnet and how you can get started with it. Game7 Network is a purpose-built Layer 3. What it means is that it's an Arbitrum Layer 3 network which is EVM compatible and part of the Arbitrum Orbit chain. As with all Orbit chains, G7 Network is an optimistic L3 and it settles on top of Arbitrum 1 Layer 2, and Arbitrum 1 itself settles on top of Ethereum. By settling on Arbitrum 1, G7 Network is able to leverage Arbitrum security and infrastructure. If you want to learn more about Arbitrum Orbit chains, check out the documentation I've linked below. So here's some info about G7 Network. The native gas token is the G7. This means to pay for gas, you would need the G7 token in your wallet, or in the case of the testnet, the TG7 token. Here you can see the testnet explorer of the Game7 or G7 chain. Average block time on testnet is about 1.9 seconds. In comparison, Ethereum average block time is close to 12 seconds. So the G7 token, apart from the G7 network, would also be on Ethereum and Arbitrum networks. So now I'm going to show you how to add the testnet to your browser wallet. Here I have my MetaMask installed and I'll just expand this. And you can see I'm on the Ethereum mainnet right now. I'll add a custom network. The network name is G7 Sepolia. RPC URL is here. The chain ID is 13746. This is already in here, and the block explorer is our testnet. And now you can see I have the G7 Sepolia testnet imported. So in the next section, we will see how to use the faucet to get testnet funds. So first you go to the faucet on Game7 Dev Hub, and I'll connect my wallet and I'll request some tokens. And I have one TG7T token here. And for those using Rabi wallet, the process is very similar. Add a custom network. Chain ID is 13746. Network name PCVRL. Block explorer is Blockstar Explorer. Here we go. And now from Ethereum, I can switch to my custom network, which is the G7 Sepolia. And there you have it. And that's all for today. And as always, stay safe and only refer to the official documentation and announcements from the Game7 Discord. Ciao.